Here I've got Asus ROG Phone 5S, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, just open any area where you can input text. It can be messages, mail, like whatever, just to see the letters. And as you can see, my current letters are right here, and it's set up with English. And whenever you like to change keyboard dictionary, just mark settings icon, go to languages, pick add keyboard, and choose any of them. Like as you can see, this list is super long, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me pick, for example, Hebrew, because the change will be super visible here. It's the same with Chinese or any other, like where we do not use Arabic letters. Then tap on edit icon and mark the language you would like to remove. And as you can see, from now on, you've got this brand new keyboard light. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.